And one of those products is clearly the BioGaia Prodentis, because that is shown to be significantly better for actually treating periodontal diseases and gingivitis compared to other probiotic products. I would say the main and to me very important thing is that oral health is linked to general health. And by using probiotic supplements to maintain stability of the oral microbiome, you do not just gain oral health, you also gain general health. It's also very important to look upon probiotics in the context of antibiotics, because it's clear that we are overprescribing, overusing broad spectrum antibiotics, and by doing that we are approaching the point of no return in which we will face bacteria that are resistant to all kinds of antibiotics. By using probiotics, for example for children, we know that this reduces the prescriptions of antibiotics with up to 50%. So probiotics is a very, very smart and cost-effective way to reduce prescriptions of antibiotics, and this is so essential for the future. It is also clear that the effects of probiotics are strain-specific, which means that all available commercial products that you can buy here in Hungary are not as efficient. Therefore, I actually advocate all colleagues to use products that have a proven efficacy, and therefore they are evidence-based. And one of those products is clearly the BioGaia Prodentis, because that is shown to be significantly better for actually treating periodontal diseases and gingivitis compared to other probiotic products.